Lust isn't your enemy, it's your power. Ever felt like lust is controlling you? Like it's a battle you keep losing? What if I told you you've been fighting the wrong fight? Lust isn't the enemy. Lack of control is. And if you master it, it becomes your greatest weapon. Let me show you how. Lust is raw power, but most men waste it. Lust is pure energy, it's intensity, it's hunger, and most men throw it away. They chase quick pleasure, distractions, and empty highs, losing their edge. But the greatest men in history, they turned that hunger into success. What if, instead of chasing women, you chased mastery? Instead of seeking release, you built discipline? Lust fuels ambition when you control it. Suppression weakens you. Control makes you unstoppable. Fighting your own nature only makes you weaker. A man at war with himself will never win. But the man who harnesses his energy, he becomes dangerous, focused, a force no one can ignore. Turn your urges into fuel. Wake up earlier. Train harder. Stay locked in when others get distracted. Self-control separates kings from pawns. Most men are slaves to their impulses, but the man who masters himself, he commands respect. Women, success, power. They all follow the man who controls his desires, not the one controlled by them. Lust isn't your enemy, it's just energy. Control it and it fuels your mission. Waste it and it drains your potential. The choice is yours. If this hit home, don't just listen, act. Drop a comment, commit to control, and let's build something great.